Hey, what is up guys, it's Tech here back with another video, and today guys I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you can lock certain apps on your iOS device, making you having to enter a password to open up an app. This is really helpful if you're giving your phone to someone temporarily for a couple of minutes and you don't want them to snoop around on your phone. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So starting off, you guys want to first go ahead and head to screen time from settings. If you haven't turned it on, go ahead and do it right now. Then go ahead and select use screen time passcode, and that will serve sort of as a password for going into the app. Afterwards, when you have opened that app for at least a minute, go ahead and come back to screen time, tap on the app and select add limit. In this case, we'll be using the calendar app to demonstrate. After you select add limit, go ahead and select 1 minute, which is the least amount of time possible. Now again, you have to previously have already been on that app for at least a minute or else it will not work. But as you guys can see right now, the app is grayed out, and to go in, I have to select ask for more time, which then will ask you how many more minutes you want to keep it unlocked. And for this tutorial, I'm just gonna select 15 minutes. And now as you can see, I will have to enter my password to get it. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to leave a like, and if you'd like to see more tech tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe. I am trying to upload 2 videos every single week, so expect a video soon, and I will see you guys all next time.